celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan is one of the legendary, wonderful, genius mathematicians. He has contributed many theories, number of analyses, his extraordinary contribution towards mathematics. Srinivasa Ramanujan is one of the greatest mathematicians in the world. Don't worry if you defeat in your life, because every problem has its own solution in your life. Don't be disappointed with your solution. Thank you, Mananda, for giving this great opportunity for me.
I am telling about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22 December 1887. He belongs to a poor family. His father name is Kumuswami Srinivasa.
వేదికను అలంకరించిన ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి, మరి కరెస్పాండెంట్ గారికి, మరి గురువు లాంటి వాళ్ళు రామరెడ్డి గారికి, అలాగే ఇక్కడ ఉపాధ్యాయ బృందానికి నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారం తెలియజేసుకుంటూ మరి విద్యార్థులందరూ అసెస్మెంట్ తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. సో మరి ఇప్పటివరకు శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్ గారి గురించి మీ తోటి విద్యార్థులు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సో డిసెంబర్ 22న 1980లో జన్మించారు. చాలా గ్రేట్ మ్యాథమెటిషియన్. అది ఇండియాలో పుట్టడం అనేది మన అదృష్టంగా భావిస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే ఇండియన్స్ భారతదేశంలో పుట్టిన శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు అటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఇంకా చాలా గొప్ప గొప్ప గణిత శాస్త్రవేత్తలు మన ఇండియాలో ఉన్నారు. అది చాలా గొప్ప విషయం కూడా. సో ఇక్కడ మరి ఇంతకుముందు పిల్లలు చెప్పారు, చాలా పేద కుటుంబంలో జన్మించారు. పేద కుటుంబంలో జన్మించి మరి అంత గ్రేట్ మ్యాథమెటిషియన్ అంటే చాలా గ్రేట్లో గ్రేట్ అని చెప్పవచ్చు. సో మరి ఇంత మనము ఈ జన్మదిన పురస్కరించుకొని ఘనంగా జరుపుకుంటున్నామంటే దీనివల్ల మనకు ఏం లాభం అంటే మన గొప్ప మేధావుల గురించి, గొప్ప శాస్త్రజ్ఞుల గురించి, వాళ్ళ గురించి ఒకసారి మనం జ్ఞాపకం చేసుకుంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి అనే ఆలోచన మనకు వస్తుంది. ఏవైతే మనకు కావలసిన గణితంలో దాన్ని ఎట్లా అచీవ్ చేసుకోవాలనేది మన ఆలోచన కల్పించడానికి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటాం. సో ముఖ్యంగా మరి విద్యార్థులు మీరందరూ ఈరోజు చాలా క్రమశిక్షణలో కూర్చుండి మరి ఇంత మంచి ప్రోగ్రామ్ మీరు మీ ఆధ్వర్యంలోనే ఇక్కడ ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు కండక్ట్ చేశారు కాబట్టి చాలా మంచి విషయం, గొప్ప విషయం. మరి దీన్ని అనుగుణంగా చేసుకొని మనం చేయాల్సినవి ఏంటిది? నేను ముఖ్యంగా చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే ముందుగా క్రమశిక్షణ ఉండాలి, ఇతరులు గౌరవించాలి, మనం గౌరవించబడాలి, ఇతరులు మర్యాదగా మాట్లాడి మనం కూడా మర్యాదగా ఉండాలి అనే విషయాన్ని మనం నేర్చుకుంటూ మన ఏవైతే మన శాస్త్రజ్ఞులు కానివ్వండి, మంచి జాబ్స్ కానివ్వండి, ప్రత్యేకమైన స్థానంలో నేను ఉండాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే విజయ సాయి హై స్కూల్ అని పేరు వినగానే ఇప్పుడే వచ్చారు ఎక్సిస్టెంట్ డి గారు అయ్యారు. చాలా గ్రేట్ విషయం. ఈ పాఠశాల చదివి మరి డి లేదా ఒక కలెక్టర్ గారు, ఒక ఐపీఎస్ ఐఏఎస్ లేదా మంచి జాబ్లో మీరు పోవాలని నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా మీకు ఆశీస్సులు అందిస్తున్నాను.
Dignitaries on the dais, teachers and all my dear friends, a warm good morning to everyone. As the responsibility of vote of thanks is given me on the auspicious occasion of Maths Day. First of all, I am very much thankful to our dynamic principal S. Krishna Mohan Garu for organizing a ravishing program. In addition, I would like to thank our guest M.E.O. Nagnath Garu for spending his time to program and giving precious suggestions. Besides, my hearty thanks to Ayya Chakravarti Sir Garu for supporting us and making this program a grand success. A very special and hearty thanks to senior faculty, head of the Maths Department, Mr. Ram Reddy Sir Garu, who is the heart of this program.
This is 1 by 3. We have divided it into 3 parts. It's known as 1 by 3.
I want 2 by 3. I want 2 by 3.
In one whole, we are taking 2 parts. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is called 2 by 3. Geoboard. A geoboard is a mathematical instrument used to explore basic concepts in a plane geometry, such as perimeter, area, characteristics of triangles, and the other polygons. It consists of a physical board with a certain number of nails. Geoboards were invented and popularized in 1950s by Egyptian mathematician Caleb Gettegno in 1911 to 1988. And some of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Shortest
Another 4 side figure.
This is a square. A shape that has 4 sides equal with 4 equal
Parallelogram.
of the 4 arithmetic operations alongside addition, subtraction, and division equal. Multiply means the multiple addition of group of equal numbers. Multiplication is represented by symbols, cross, asterisk, or dot in multiplication. While writing in your notebook, you are mostly likely to use the props. We use set squares or parallel lines that draw perpendicular lines and draw complete shapes and draw angles. There are 2 types of set squares. One is isosceles triangle and another one is chaotic triangle. Isosceles triangle, it has 9.
Yes. Like tall.
Our topic is line of symmetry. A line of symmetry is a line which divides a figure into 2 equal and symmetrical parts. A figure has symmetry if you can fold it so that it fits exactly over the other side. Now I'm going to say the line of symmetry for some alphabets. This is alphabet A. When we cut it vertically, one side is exactly over the other side. So here we are going to see that 1, 4, 5,
ఇవన్నీ వెరీ గుడ్.
There are 6 types of angles. There are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. Acute angle. Greater than 0 degrees, lesser than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Exact 90 degrees is called right angle. Greater than 90 degrees, lesser than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Exact 180 degrees is called straight angle. Greater than 180 degrees, less.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Prachi. I am from 6th C.
My name is Sumema. I am from 6th A.
Our topic is isosceles triangle. Triangle. A triangle which has simple closed figure and 3 lines segmented is called a triangle.
Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal and 1 side is different is called an isosceles triangle.
There are 3 vertices in isosceles triangle: A, B, and C.
There are 3 points in isosceles triangle:
Point A, point B, and point C. There are 3 angles in isosceles triangle: angle A, angle B, and angle C.
There are 3 sides:
A to B, B to C, and C to A. Angle. An angle is a union of 2 rays with common vertex is called an angle. Thank you.
Morning to everyone. This is Shraddha Patil from 6th and my partner Vijaya Sai.
We are here to speak the importance about fractions in mathematics. Fraction. A number expressed as a quotient in which the numerator is divided by denominator is called a fraction. For example, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, etc. etc. There are 3 main fractions. They are proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator value is less than the denominator value is called proper fraction. For example, 1 by 9, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, etc. etc.
Improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 2 by 2, 6 by 6, 6 by 2, etc.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sai
And my name is Sita.
We are from 6th C. 2D shape. 2D shape is a two-dimensional shape that differ in horizontal and vertical axes. These 2D shapes are flat figures and these have only length and width. These shapes don't have thickness or height.
Square. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Circle. Circle have no sides and no corners. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners.
Hey, good morning to everyone. Myself Sheetal of 6C. Today's my topic is geoboard. A geoboard is a mathematical instrument used to explore base concepts such as perimeter area and the characteristics of triangle. Other polygons, it consists physical board, and we can do different kinds of shapes like triangle and equilateral triangle. There are 3 types of triangle: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle which has 3 sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. When all 3 sides are equal, then all 3 angles also equal. This triangle is also called an equilateral triangle. Circle. Circle has no sides, no corners, and no vertices. An isosceles triangle. It has 2 sides equal and 1 side is different. Scaling triangle. It has all 3 sides are different. Thank you.
Good morning. We are from 6th. My topic is about such as a rectangle, triangle objective to draw straight lines, angles, especially at 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, or 30 degrees. We use set squares to draw parallel lines, to draw perpendicular lines, to draw angles, and to draw complete shapes. There are 2 types of set squares. One is isosceles triangle and the other one is scaling triangle. Isosceles triangle. Its angles are 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 45 degrees. Scaling triangle. Its angles are 90 degrees, 30 degrees, and 60 degrees. words like rectangle, square, parallelogram, triangle.
Good morning, my name is Srinivas and our topic is about the trigonometric ratios. There are 6 types of trigonometric ratios, namely sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sec is opposite to sine, sec is opposite to cos, cot is opposite to tan. So, for example, we take sine. Sine is first trigonometric ratio. We can see the sine value. Sine 0 degree is equal to 0. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree is equal to 1.
So my name is Vas. I am studying in 6th C.
Morning sir, my name is Shah. I am studying in 6th.
Today we are going to explain about its example with highest common factor. Let us take one example 6, 10. First we should arrange 6 columns in the first column and 10 columns in the second column. And comparing the both numbers 6 less than 10. We should remove 6 columns from 10 columns. Then we get 4 columns in the second column. Again comparing the both numbers 4 less than 6. We should remove 4 columns from 6 columns. Then we get 2 columns in the first column. Again comparing both numbers 2 less than 4. We should remove 2 columns from 4 columns. The exam of 6 and 10 is 2. Thank you sir.
Good morning. First of all, we wish happy mathematics day. This is Pushra Batul. This is Shamira Gordon. We are from 7th B. Today our topic is line of symmetry. A line of symmetry is a line which divides a figure into 2 equal and symmetrical parts.
The line of symmetry is also called as mirror line.
The two halves of a symmetrical image exactly match in shape and size. This line is called as the line of symmetry. For example, this is alphabet P. When we cut it horizontally, one side fills exactly over the other side. Here we are going to get one line of symmetry that is horizontal.
Now this is a rectangle. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. When we fold it vertically, we get a line of symmetry. And when we fold it horizontally, then also we get a line of symmetry. So it has 2 lines of symmetry, that is vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry.
Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is P. Lokesh Shetty.
My name is Vikartik. I am from 7th class.
So our project name is Indian and International System. The difference between these two systems are commas and pronunciation. Now Indian system is explained by Karthik.
It is difficult to read and write large numbers, so there is the place for a chart. There is the place for a chart. There are 2 systems in the place for a chart. There is Indian system and international system. In Indian system, there are 4 periods. There are ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. In ones period, there are ones, tens, and hundreds. In thousand period, there are 1,000 and 10,000. In lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And finally, in the crores period, crores and 10 crores. There is the number 7, 6, 5, 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 8. The 7 is 10 crores, 6 is crores, 5 is 10 lakhs, 0 is lakhs, 4 is 10,000, 3 is 1,000, 2 is hundreds, 1 is tens, and 8 is ones. Totally 76 crores, 50 lakhs, 43,218. The international system is explained by my partner.
So the difference between these two systems are the first 5 periods are same but the last 4 periods are different. Lakhs are written as 100,000, 10 lakhs are written as 1 million, 1 crore is written as 10 million, 10 crores are written as 100 million in an international system.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vijaya Sai. I am from 7th C. This is my partner K. Krishna. Our topic is properties of a rectangle. This is one rectangle. Rectangle have 4 angles, and each angle is 90 degrees. The sum of these angles is 360 degrees. This is another rectangle. Rectangle have 4 sides, and the opposite 2 sides are equal. Example: DC is equal to AB, and BC is equal to AD. Remaining 2 topics explained by my partner.
Good morning sir, my name is K. Krishna. I am from 7th class. Today's our topic is properties of a rectangle. In rectangle, there is 2 diagonals. AC is 1 diagonal and BD is another diagonal. The length of the 2 diagonals are equal to each other. AC is equal to BD or BD is equal to AC. For example, if AC is 30 centimeters, then BD should also have 30 centimeters. Then we can say that the length of the 2 diagonals are equal to each other. Bisecting point. In rectangle, there is only one bisecting point. It formed by intersecting of the 2 diagonals. Here, AO should be equal to OC and DO should be equal to OD. Then we can say that the diagonals are equal. The diagonals are bisect each other. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. First of all, for everyone, happy Mathematics Day. My name is P. Anirudh. I am studying in 7th standard, and he is my partner B. Samanyu. He is also studying in 7th standard.
Our topic is types of quadrilaterals. First of all, the definition of a quadrilateral is the closed figure which is bounded by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. There are some types of quadrilaterals. The first type of quadrilateral is a trapezium.
A trapezium is a closed figure in which the opposite sides are parallel to each other. This side is parallel to this side. The next topic is parallelogram.
Parallelogram is a closed figure in which total angle is equals to 360 degrees and opposite sides are parallel to each other. The next type of quadrilateral is a rectangle.
A rectangle is a closed figure in which we can see the sides are AB is one side, BC is one side, CD is one side, and DA is the another side. The vertices are vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D. In the rectangle, the opposite sides are parallel to each other. This side is parallel to this side is parallel to this side. Each angle is 90 degrees. Sum of 4 angles is 360 degrees.
The next type of quadrilateral is a square. Square is a closed figure in which each angle is equals to 90 degrees and all sides are equal in it. Next type.
One and all, wish you a happy Mathematics Day. Myself, Abhigna from Science City.
Myself, Jajuli from 7:30.
Today our topic is 3D shapes.
3D shapes means three-dimensional figures are called 3D shapes. Example: cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere.
So, I am taking cube. Cube is a 3D shape. It has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. This is called faces, this is called vertices and this is called edges.
This is cuboid. Cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. In cuboid, the opposite faces are equal.
So, I am taking cylinder. Cylinder is like a round part. It has 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. It has 2 edges and no vertices.
Hello, this is Brinda.
This is Vijaya Sai. We are from 8th standard. Our topic is circumference and diameter of a circle.
What is a circle? A circle is a set of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. This fixed point is known as center of the circle.
The fixed distance from the center of a circle, the circumference of a circle, is known as radius. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of a circle is known as chord.
The chord which passes to the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle is known as diameter. Diameter is the longest chord in the circle. In the circle, infinite number of chord, radius and diameter can be made. What is circumference? The length of the boundary of a circle is known as circumference of a circle. To find the circumference of a circle, we have a formula which is equal to 2 pi r. Now I am going to show the relation between circumference and diameter of a circle. Let us consider the small circle. Here, the circumference is divided into 22 equal parts and let us take the diameter. Here, one piece of the diameter is equal to one piece of the circumference of a circle. Now here, the diameter is divided into 7 equal parts. By this, we can say the pi value which is equal to 22 by 7.
Similarly, for the bigger circle, we have divided the circumference into 22 equal parts. Let us take the diameter. The one piece of diameter is equal to the one piece of circumference of a circle. Here, the diameter is divided into 7 equal parts. This shows the relation between circumference and diameter.
My name is Aisha Panam of 8th grade.
My name is Satisha. I am from 8th grade. Today, our topic name is sum of exterior angles of a polygon of n side is 360 degrees.
Let us know first what is polygon. Polygon is a simple closed figure made up of 3 or more like segments is called as polygon.
For example, triangle, rectangle, etc. Let us know what is about classification of polygons. We classify polygons according to the number of sides or vertices they have. Triangle have 3 vertices, quadrilateral have 4 vertices, pentagon has 5 vertices, hexagon has 6 vertices, septagon has 7 vertices.
Let us take one example as a pentagon. Pentagon have 5 vertices. These are exterior angles of a pentagon. Let us do sum of these exterior angles. We get 360 degrees. Let us assume this as angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is 360 degrees.
Let us take one more example, triangle. Triangle have 3 sides, 3 vertex, 3 angles. Let us assume as angle A, angle B and angle C. Let us do sum of all exterior angles of a triangle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 360 degrees.
Good morning. Our topic is chord properties of a circle, that is perpendicular line bisects the chord. First, let me tell what is meant by a circle. A circle is an infinite set of points which are at equidistance from a fixed point is called a circle. The fixed point is called as center of the circle and fixed distance is called as radius of the circle.
A line segment which joins center of a circle to any point on a
radius of a circle is known as radius of a circle. We can find infinite number of radius in a circle. The length of a circle is known as circumference of a circle. A line segment between 2 points on the circumference of a circle is known as chord of a circle. We can find infinite number of chords in a circle.
Here, among these three, we can observe that these two are longest length, this is the shortest length. So the shortest distance between any 2 points, then it is perpendicular. Perpendicular means it can form 90 degrees.
The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord that bisects the chord. Let me show by this example. This is the total length of the chord. After bisecting, it will divide into 2 equal parts.
Myself Srishti and myself Megan. We are from 8th standard. Today our topic is about extraangular properties. Let me say what is meant by a triangle. A closed sphere formed by 3 line segments is known as triangle. When these 2 line segments intersect at a point is known as vertex. Then the angles are also formed. Let me say what is meant by an angle. A union of 2 rays having a common vertex is known as angle. In a triangle, when one of the sides is extended, the next triangle is formed. Here BC is extended, then angle ACDX triangle is formed.
Let us take angle A and angle B. Here angle A is interior angle and angle B is also interior angle. If we will keep here, then we can observe that exterior angle is equals to sum of 2 opposite interior angles.
Good morning sir, myself Tanushka.
Myself Harsha.
We are from 8th standard. Today our topic is about geometrical proof of a plus b whole square. There are some standard identities. In that our topic is about a plus b whole square. To get a plus b whole square, first we should know about a plus b. Here a plus b is nothing but b is added to a.
Now I am going to show you geometrically. Now let's take this side as A and B. It forms the side of A plus B. Similarly, this as A and B. It forms the side of A plus B. Here adjacent sides are equal and the angle between these two adjacent sides is 90 degrees. So it forms a square. Area of a square is side into side. So A plus B into A plus B, we get A plus B whole square. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Amrita of 8th standard.
And myself Zahasani of 8th standard.
Our topic is about geometrical proof of a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first we should know what is a minus b. A minus b is nothing but b is subtracted from a. So let's take a as the area of a total square. Area of a total square is equals to side into side. A into A is equals to a square. So let's take this part as b. Then it will become a minus b. In the square adjacent sides are equal and angle between is 90 degrees. A minus b into A minus b is equals to A minus b whole square. We got LHS A minus b whole square. Now RH.
In order to get A minus B whole square, I am going to separate these two parts. Then I will get A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is in the form of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Length is A, breadth is B. A into B is equals to AB. Similarly, length is B and the breadth is A minus B. B into A minus B is equals to B into A is equals to AB. Plus into minus minus B into B is equals to B square. AB plus AB is equals to 2AB minus B square. Now the signs will be changed if I subtract from area of a total square. A square plus into minus minus 2AB. Minus into minus plus B square. Thank you. Conclusion.
By doing this point, we can prove that a square, a minus b whole square identically equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Ahmed and my partner name is Shafshi. Today my topic is geometrical proof of a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. It is an identity. Identity is nothing but an equation which is true for all values of its variable. It is called an identity. Identity is denoted by 3 horizontal lines and read as identically equal to. Identity is also known as universally true equation.
Consider ABC. This line is called A plus B plus C. Similarly, this line is called ABC. This line is also called A plus B plus C. Similarly, ABC. This line is also called A plus B plus C. Similarly, ABC. This line is called A plus B plus C. These two lines make an adjacent angle. Adjacent is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees form a square. Area of square into side into side. A into A is equal to A square. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. A into B is equal to AB. A into C is equal to AC. B into A is equal to AB. B into B is equal to B square. B into C is equal to BC. C into A is equal to AC.
Good morning to everyone.
Myself Vaibhavi, I am from 8th E.
Myself Ananya, I am from 8th.
First of all, we wish you all a happy Mathematics Day. On this occasion, we prepared a project angle at the center, angle at any point on the circle.
First, I am taking one angle and same size of one more angle. See, these are in same size. So I am removing this angle and inserting these two angles. So sum of these two angles will be this angle. So we understand from this,
Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the circle. It means if this angle will be this angle will be double to this angle.
If it is 30 degrees means definitely it will be 60 degrees.
Good morning everybody, my name is Pratik
My name is Prasun.
Our project is
Properties of parallel lines. Here L and M are parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines which do not intersect at any point, even at infinity. Here N is a transversal. Transversal is a line which intersects two other lines at distinct points.
when a transversal intersects two parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal and alternate exterior angles are equal and sum of the cointer angles is 180 degrees. Corresponding angles are a pair of angles in which one angle is interior angle and another angle is exterior angle and they lie on the same side of the transversal. Alternate interior angles are interior angles in which one angle lies on the left side and another angle lies on the right side and they are equal. Sum of the cointer angles is 180 degrees and they lie on the same side of the transversal.
Thank you.
Myself Tejashree. Myself Manila. We are from 8E. Our topic is triangles and parallelogram. Let me explain you about parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both the opposite sides are parallel and also equal. Opposite angles are also equal. Sum of two consecutive angles is 180 degrees. Each diagonal divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles.
Now I am going to explain here what is the relation between parallelogram and a triangle. Parallelogram and a triangle lying on the same base and between the same parallel lines, then we can say that the area of parallelogram is twice the area of triangle. Let me show you the practical proof. Now you can see that the area of these two triangles are equal. Then we can say that the area of parallelogram is twice the area of triangle. We can construct the parallelogram with these triangles. Thank you.
Myself Akshaya. Our topic is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b.
Let me consider this as A and this is also A. Here adjacent sides are equal and angle between them is 90 degrees. So then it forms a square. Area of this total square is A square. Let me consider this as B and this is also B. Here also adjacent sides are equal and angle between them is 90 degrees. So then it forms a square. Area of this total square is B square. If B square is subtracted from this part, it becomes A square minus B square.
Now I will prove you this part as a plus b into a minus b. Let me consider this as a and this as a minus b. It is in the form of rectangle. The area of rectangle is equal to L into B. So A into A minus B. It is also in the form of rectangle. The area of rectangle is equal to L into B. So B into A minus B. From this both parts A minus B is common. Left out part is A plus B. A plus B into A minus B. Thank you.
Good morning, this is Manisha from 8th standard. This is Artisana from 8th standard. On the auspicious occasion of Maths Day, we prepared a project of angles and properties of a quadrilateral. First of all, quadrilateral is nothing but a closed figure which is bounded with 4 line segments. These 4 line segments are only called as sides of the quadrilateral. And the intersection of 2 line segments at a common point is called vertex. Similarly, it has 4 vertices. They are vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. It has one pair of diagonal. Diagonal is nothing but a line joining opposite vertices is called as diagonal. BD is one diagonal, AC is another diagonal. And quadrilateral has 2 pairs of opposite angles. They are angle A and angle C are opposite angles. Angle B and angle D are opposite angles. So it has 4 interior angles. Now let's see what will be the sum of 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral. The point of 4 interior angles is 360 degrees.
A very pleasant good morning to one and all, and happy National Mathematics Day. On this day, our aim to prove in a cyclic quadrilateral exterior angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral having 4 vertices such as point A, point B, point C, point D lie on the same circle is known as cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, if any one side is produced, say AB line segment is produced to point D, then the angle formed angle CBE is equal to its interior opposite angle which is angle AGC, and angle AGC is equal to its interior opposite angle which is angle CBE. Here, these both angles are equal. It means that in cyclic quadrilateral, exterior and interior angle are equal. If it is 50 degrees, this angle must be 50 degrees. Thus, we can conclude that in a cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. Hence, we conclude that in a cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. Thank you.
Good morning, myself P. Ganesh and my friend MD Noma. On the occasion of Mathematics Day, we made a project, Super Exam. The Super Exam deals with trigonometric chapter. By this project, we can remember trigonometric formulas. First, trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cos square theta. tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Anti-clockwise. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to secant sin square theta. Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. My friend, tell us about trigonometric ratios.
Good morning. My name is Naman. I am here to see trigonometric ratios. Sin theta into cosecant theta is equals to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Secant theta into cos theta is equals to 1. Similarly, sin theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta. Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. Cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta.
Vacation of Mathematics Day, we have did one project called Pythagoras theorem. In this project, we have used one exam pad and made 3 squares naming a square, b square and c square. After that, we have placed the 3 squares in such a manner that one right angle triangle is formed in between 3 squares. After that, we made 4 pieces of the square b. Now, if we arrange the 4 pieces of the square b along with the square A on the square C, we can see that the square C is completely filled with these 2 squares. Practical proof. This is the practical proof of Pythagoras theorem. By this we can say that a square plus b square is equals to c square.
Good morning to everyone. Today our topic is about volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 volume of cylinder.
One main point you have to remember while doing this activity is that the height and the radius for both the figures must be equal. Here the height taken is 12 cm and the radius taken is 5 cm.
The radius of the cone and cylinder are equal and the height of cone and cylinder are equal.
We will prove this by doing an experiment that 3 cones full of rice grains are required to fill up 1 cylinder. This is the first cone.
This is the first cone. This was the second.
This is the third cone.
This is the third cone. This is equal.
So finally, we can conclude that volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3rd volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, so volume of a cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Thank you, Anita.
Myself, K. Saraswati.
Myself, P. Shivani.
We are from 9th standard.
And our topic is midpoint theorem.
First of all, I would like to wish you a happy Mathematics Day. Aim to prove midpoint theorem. Procedure. Draw a triangle ABC, take midpoints for AB and AC, name them as D and E.
Here, D and E are the midpoints. First, we have to join D and E. DE and BC. These two are lines. And angle ADE and angle ABC. These two angles are corresponding angles because this lies on the same side of the transversal and these two are not adjacent. So these two are corresponding angles. Here, these two corresponding angles are equal. If these two corresponding angles are equal, DE is parallel to BC. If these two are not equal, these two are not parallel. In this case, these two corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that DE is parallel to BC.
And BC is twice of DE and DE is half of BC. By this we can conclude that DE is parallel to BC and DE is half of BC. The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and also half of it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Jishya.
Myself Jansita.
Our topic is about to prove a plus b whole cube.
This is a cube with side a plus b. In cube all sides are equal. Volume of the cube equal to side cube, so that a plus b whole cube.
This is a cube with side A. We all know that in cube all sides are equal. The volume of cube is equal to S cube. So it is A cube.
This is a cubite with length a. Breadth is also a. Height equal to b. Volume of the cubite equal to length into breadth into height. A into b equal to a square b. Similarly, we have 3 cubites, so that 3a square b.
This is another cuboid with length A, breadth b and height is also b. The volume of cube is length into breadth into height. A into b into e. That equals to ab square. Similarly, we have 3 cuboids that are equals to ab cube.
This is a cube with side b. Volume of the cube equal to side cube, so that b cube.
We proved that a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Lavanya.
My name is Deepthi.
We are studying in 9th
9th standard. Our topic is about locating a point on the Cartesian plane.
Cartesian plane means the lines of x-axis and y-axis are called Cartesian plane. X-axis means the horizontal reference line on the plane is called x-axis. Y-axis means the vertical reference line on the plane is called y-axis. In a plane there are two quadrants, x quadrant and y quadrant. In x quadrant right side they have positive numbers and left side they have negative numbers. In y quadrant above they have positive numbers and below they have negative numbers.
Quadrant means the region of two axes intersecting each other at 90 degrees is called quadrant. Quadrants are divided into four parts. First quadrant positive, positive. Second quadrant negative, positive. Third quadrant negative, negative. Fourth quadrant positive, negative. For example, 3, 5. 3, 5 will be lying on the first quadrant, 5 units from y-axis and 3 units from x-axis. So it is named as 3, 5.
Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Myself I am Mukshinya. Myself I am Mahima. We are studying in 9th standard. First of all, we like to wish Happy Mathematics Day. Today our topic is about angles in the same segment of a circle. Aim of this activity to verify the angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Take a circle and taking O as the center of the circle. AB is a chord on the circle that divides the circle into the two segments. One is a minor segment, one is a major segment. DC are the points on the major arc. Join A to C and B to D. The angles subtended by an arc in the same segment are equal. If we will exchange the places of both angles, we can see that they are equal to each other. Thank you.
To one and all. Myself Lasya from 9th standard.
Myself Tanya Diva from 9th standard.
First of all, we would like to wish you a very happy National Mathematics Day.
On the occasion of National Mathematics Day, today's our topic is a minus b whole cube.
A minus b whole cube is nothing but it is used to calculate the cube of a binomial and it is also used to factorize some special types of a trinomial.
Here, first of all, this is a cube. We know all that sides of a cube are equal. Here, volume of cube is side cube. Here, all the sides are a. Then it means a cube. From this side a, we have to subtract length b. Then it is a minus b. From the a minus b, if we subtract this all, then we will get our formula a minus b whole cube.
We all know that this is in the shape of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Length of this cuboid is a minus b. Breadth of this cuboid is a. Height of this cuboid is b. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. That is a minus b into a into b. Similarly, we have three cuboids with same length, same breadth and same height. So it will become 3ab into a minus b.
This is in the shape of cube. Volume of cube is side cube. Here all the sides are b, then it means b cube. Conclusion. We prove that
a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube.
Thank you. Good morning. Myself I am T. Shraddha. I am from 9th standard. My topic is about trigonometric ratios by hand methods. Let's take the sin theta as a 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. We had given here formula. Sin theta is equal to root over fingers below by 2. Below means down and above means upside. Here. It is a sin 0 value. So the below there are no fingers. So we have to take root over sin 0 by 2. Then the sin 0 value is 0. Cos 0. Cos 0 means root over above by 2. Above there are 4 fingers. So we have to take root over 4 by 2. Root 4 value is 2. Then 2 cancel. The cos 0 value is 1. Tan is a root over fingers below above by root over fingers below. So we have to take like this. It is a tan 0. Above means there are no fingers. So we have to take root over 0 by root over 4. So the answer is root over 0. So 0. Thank you.
Myself Kevin from 9th standard.
Today we are going to prove x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equals to x square plus 5x plus 6.
And we arrange these blocks in the shape of rectangle.
The length of this rectangle is x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is x plus 3.
And the breadth of the rectangle is x plus 1 plus 1 is x plus 2.
We divided this rectangle into 12 parts and the first part is a square. The area of the square is side into side, that is x into x is x square.
And the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is x into 1 is x. Similarly, there are 5 rectangles. The areas of 5 rectangles is 5 into x is 5x.
The area of this square is side into side, that is 1 into 1 is 1. There are 6 similar squares. So the area of these 6 similar squares is 6. Then we will get the equation x square plus 5x plus 6. At last, we can conclude that x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab.
Morning, myself Vaishnavi, my friend Sahasra. Our topic is applications of trigonometry. We are going to find the height of tree, house and pole.
You have to see that the laser light should fall on the top of the pole. If we see here, the angle is 68 and the base is 13 centimeters. So in between them the right angle triangle is formed. In each right angle triangle we have to consider that the ratio of unknown by known, that is equals to the trigonometrical ratio of tan. Here unknown is height, so height by, here known is base, so known is base, height by base, that is equals to tan. We got angle of elevation as 68, so tan 68 is equals to height by 13. That is equals to tan 68 value is 2.475 into 13, that is equals to height. Height is equals to 31.2 centimeters.
A very good morning to one. Myself Deenalini, myself Krishna, we are from 9th standard. Our topic is to prove the surface area of sphere is equals to the area of 4 circles. Let us find the surface area of sphere by this following activity. Instrument we use cardboard pieces, ball, thread, pins, chart, etc. Take a ball, win the ball with the thread, use pins to keep the thread in the place, mark starting and ending point of the thread. Now remove the thread from the surface area of sphere. Take 2 cardboard sheets and place a ball between 2 cardboard sheets such a manner 2 cardboard sheets are parallel to each other. The distance between 2 cardboard sheets represents the diameter of the sphere. We know the radius is half of the diameter. After finding the radius of the diameter, draw 4 circles equal to the radius and fill the circles with the thread one after one we have on to the sphere. By this activity, we can observe that the thread which had completely covered the surface area of sphere has been used to completely fill the area of 4 circles, all having same radius. By this activity, we can understand that the surface area of sphere is equal to the area of 4 circles.
A very good morning, myself Vijaya Sai.
Myself A. Srisha, we are from 9th standard.
First of all, we would like to wish you a very happy National Mathematics Day.
On the occasion of Mathematics Day, we would like to explain about cyclic quadrilateral.
The sum of 2 opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary.
Definition of cyclic quadrilateral. The 4 vertices of a quadrilateral A, B, C and D lie on the same circle. This type of quadrilateral ABCD is called cyclic quadrilateral. Now we will prove.
A. The sum of 2 opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Instruments we need circle-shaped cardboard, semicircle-shaped cardboard, color radiums, pins, etc.
Procedure. Take a circle-shaped cardboard and draw a quadrilateral on it, and its vertices should be lie on the same circle. Then it makes a cyclic quadrilateral. Now take 2 opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, angle A and angle C, and keep it in a semicircle. It makes 180 degrees. Reason is straight line. Straight line equals to 180 degrees.
Now take these 2 angles, angle B and angle D, in a semicircle, so it makes 180 degrees. Reason is the straight line.
Now we observe that the sum of 2 opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Hence we proved geometrically. Thanks for supporting us.
Myself Syed Abdul Rashid from 9th A.
Myself Syed Saifullah from 9th A.
Our topic name is parallelogram on the same base. This is a parallelogram ABCD and this is a parallelogram ABEF. These 2 lies on the same base AB and between 2 parallel lines AB and FC. In a parallelogram ABCD there are 2 parts, one is trapezium and another one is triangle. In a parallelogram ABEF there are also 2 parts, one is trapezium and another one is triangle. These 2 triangles are equal. If we keep it here and keep it here, it is equal. So I conclude that these 2 parallelogram areas are equal. Thank you.
Honor of him and to remember his hard work and his contribution to our mathematics field, and in turn to the society. We are celebrating here the Mathematics Day, and in our Mathematics Day I have seen everyone has did well. All are good. But only the thing is, one has been presented very nice equipment, but little failure. Okay, just 1% or 2% value in expressing the views, and some are expressed a lot and just again little bit failure in presenting, that is item, decoration or whatever we can say. So overall, all of them has it well. So I appreciate your presentations and I thank you for giving the high times the
పెద్దలకు గౌరవనీయులు కృష్ణమోహన్ సార్ గారికి, అదేవిధంగా చక్రవర్తి సార్ గారికి, సీనియర్ గణిత ఉపాధ్యాయులు, ప్రస్తుతం నేను పాఠశాలలో పనిచేసే మా ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులకే గురువు గారు రామరెడ్డి సార్ గారికి, అదేవిధంగా మేడం గారికి, నాతోటి ఈరోజు జడ్జిగా వచ్చినటువంటి శ్రీనివాస్ గారికి, ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమాల్లో పాల్గొన్నటువంటి గణిత ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ, ఇంకా మిగతా విజయసాయి ఉపాధ్యాయ బృందం మొత్తానికి, అదేవిధంగా ఇంత చక్కనైనటువంటి ప్రదర్శనలు చాలా శ్రమ కోర్చి మంచి మంచి టాపిక్స్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నటువంటి చిన్నారి విద్యార్థులు ఇంత చక్కగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారంటే చాలా కష్టమైందండి జడ్జి చేయడం. ఆ షీట్ చూస్తే ఒకసారి అర్థమవుతుంది, అన్నీ సమానమైనటువంటి మార్క్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. 3 పారామీటర్స్ డివైడ్ చేసుకొని మేము సెలెక్ట్ చేసినటువంటి సందర్భంలో మాకు వీలైతే మళ్ళీ 2 ఒకసారి అయితే 3 టైమ్స్ మళ్ళీ విజిట్ చేయాల్సిన పరిస్థితి వచ్చింది మిమ్మల్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలంటే. సో అట్లాంటి ప్రదర్శన చేసినటువంటి విద్యార్థులకు, మరి ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి వీక్షించడానికి వచ్చినటువంటి చిన్నారి విద్యార్థులందరికీ కూడా మొదటగా జాతీయ గణిత దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. అదేవిధంగా మన భారత గణిత మేధావి శ్రీనివాస రామాంజన్ గారి జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. చాలా సంతోషము. గణిత ప్రదర్శనలు చేయటం అనేది శ్రమతో కూడుకున్నటువంటి విషయము, డబ్బుతో కూడుకున్నటువంటి విషయము. వేరే సబ్జెక్ట్లో అంటే సపోజ్ ఒక పలానా సబ్జెక్ట్లో టాప్లో ఉన్నట్టయితే గణితంలో ఉండకపోవచ్చు, కానీ గణితంలో టాప్ పొజిషన్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి విద్యార్థి కూడా ఎవ్రీ సబ్జెక్ట్లో టాప్లో ఉంటాడు. సో అది మనకు, కాబట్టి మీరు కూడా గణితాన్ని ప్రేమించండి, దాన్ని ఇష్టంగా భావించండి, దానిలో ఉన్నటువంటి గణితంలో ఉన్నటువంటి మజాను ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ మరి భవిష్యత్తు పునాదులు వేసుకోండి. ఫైనల్గా ఏంటంటే ఇంతమంది 6, 6th క్లాస్, 7th క్లాస్ అండ్ 8th, 9th, 10th లేదు కదా సార్. సో 9th వరకు ప్రదర్శించినటువంటి చిన్నారుల యొక్క ప్రదర్శనలో మరి మనము ఉత్తమ ప్రతిభ కనపరిచినటువంటి 3 విద్యార్థులు లేదా 2 విద్యార్థులు సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి చేశాము. నాకు తెలిసి ప్రతి ఒక్క విద్యార్థి ఏ ఒక్కరు కూడా తక్కువ కాకుండా అందరు చక్కని ప్రదర్శన ఇచ్చారు. సో మీ అందరికీ కూడా మరి ఒకసారి హృదయపూర్వక శుభాకాంక్షలు. మీరు భవిష్యత్తులో ఖచ్చితంగా ఉన్నతమైన శిఖరాలకు ఎదగాలని ఆశిస్తూ ఇంత చక్కనైనటువంటి అవకాశాన్ని మాకు కల్పించినటువంటి కృష్ణమోహన్ సార్ గారికి, మరి చక్రవర్తి సార్ గారికి, రామరెడ్డి సార్ గారికి అందరికీ కూడా ప్రత్యేక ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తున్నాను.
ఎడ్యుకేషన్ నుంచి వచ్చి మీ అమూల్యమైన సమయాన్ని మాకు కేటాయించినందుకు మరొకసారి మా మేనేజ్మెంట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ తరఫున, మా విద్యార్థుల తరఫున, మేనేజ్మెంట్ తరఫున మీకు ఒకసారి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాం సార్. మీకు చెప్పలా థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I wish you all a very happy Maths Day. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to respected Krishna Mohan sir, Ramreddy sir and the whole Maths department for organizing such a wonderful expo. There are many mind-blowing exhibits present in the hall. All the participants exhibited their topics in a very interesting and creative way. Each and every exhibit demonstrated all the students in an easy way. The exhibit which I loved the most was trigonometric ratio by hand trick exhibited by Shraddha. As a 10th student, it helped me a lot to learn the trigonometric values in a very interesting manner. This trigonometric hand game trick was very fun to do and learn. Good evening one and all. Myself P. Mahalakshmi from 10th standard. First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy Mathematics Day. On behalf of this occasion, our school had conducted Maths Expo program. First, I would like to thank our respected principal Krishna Mohan sir for conducting such an extraordinary program, and Ramirani sir who had encouraged and guided the students in the program, and to all the maths teachers who are the backbone of this program. I also wanted to congratulate and thank the students who had actively participated in this program and made it a grand success. There are a lot of useful topics in the exhibits. Among those, some of them are different types of quadrilaterals and triangles by Zuveria Fatima and Sheetal, geometry with magnets by Shrikant and Pradeep,
which gave me fun and knowledge while doing geometry with my friends. Finding the heights in the applications of trigonometry by Vaishnavi and Sahasra. From this exhibit, we can find the heights in application of trigonometry easily.
Respected principal sir, my dear colleagues and my dear children, a very good evening to one and all. Firstly, I feel very happy to be a part of this wonderful program. I thank our principal sir to make us all the other subject staff be a part of this wonderful event. It's a wonderful opportunity for the children to show their talent and to enhance their skills in maths. Really, the children who participated in this, every one of them who got first, second, third, it's separate, but everyone is a winner because they spent a lot of time, nearly more than 1 week they spent in working for this. And even the role of the children is such a thing that they even didn't waste a little time also in that. And whenever I saw morning I got the opportunity to visit all that, I felt very thrilled by seeing each and every model. Everyone is unique. Every model is unique. And the hard work, whatever they put in this, it is clearly shown in that. Not only 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, every class, they performed very well. And there are some models which attracted me very much. Like, coming to 6th class, the set squares which was performed by Sanvi and Triloki of 6th grade, and the geoboard by Juvelia and Sheetal.
Vote of thanks. Mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. I take this as golden opportunity to thank our respected principal, Dr. S. Krishnamohan sir, who is the creator of this wonderful event.